Dear teachers, welcome back to TLS Physics Specialization Test Training Program. In this small video, I will explain about different types of motion possessed by a body. The first one is rectilinear or translatory motion, in which particle is moving along a straight line. Example for rectilinear motion is a car moving in a straight line. So this is one type of motion possessed by the body that we will call rectilinear or translatory motion. The second one is circular or rotatory motion, in which particle is moving on a circle or particle moves on a circular path. Example, movement of the clock's handle or the motion of the roller coaster. These are all examples for circular or rotatory motion. Third one is oscillatory or vibratory motion, in which particle is moving to and fro or back and forth with respect to a fixed point. So that is an example for oscillatory or vibratory motion. So in oscillatory motion, frequency will be less, vibratory motion, frequency will be more. That is one difference between oscillatory and vibratory motion. Next, I will explain motion in 1, 2 and 3 dimensions. First, let me explain what is one-dimensional motion. Motion is said to be one-dimensional if only one coordinate of the particle's position changes with respect to time. So when we represent a particle position, normally we will use 3 coordinates. So in that, only one coordinate of the particle's position changing with respect to time. Then we say body is in one-dimensional motion. Again, example for one-dimensional motion is straight line motion. Next one is two-dimensional motion. So motion is said to be two-dimensional if two coordinates of the particle's position changes with respect to time. If any two coordinates, may be x and y or x and z or y and z or x and y, any two coordinates changes, then we say the particle is in two-dimensional motion. Example for two-dimensional motion is circular motion, projectile motion. These are all examples for two-dimensional motion. The third one is three-dimensional motion. Motion is said to be three-dimensional if the coordinate of the particle's position changes with respect to time. All the three coordinates x, y and z will change with respect to time. Then we say the body is in three-dimensional motion. Example for three-dimensional motion is movement of the mosquitoes or how fish swims. Okay, so these are all examples for three-dimensional motion. So I hope you understood about different types of motion. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.